Hello everyone, I'm here to interview my mom to know her opinion and experience in life as a woman. I prepared some questions for you, mom. First question: what is the most pressing problems of women in their generation?
In reflecting on the most pressing problems faced by women in my generation, I cannot overlook the pervasive issue of gender-based violence. It is heartbreaking to witness how many women around me are affected by domestic abuse, harassment, and discrimination. I often hear stories from friends and family who have experienced or know someone who has faced these challenges. The culture of silence surrounding these matters can be suffocating, and it makes me realize how essential it is to break the silence. Many women, particularly in rural areas, lack access to legal support and resources, leaving them feeling trapped in unsafe situations. This ongoing struggle for safety and justice is something I feel deeply concerned about, as it impacts not just individual lives but the fabric of our society as a whole.
Thank you, mom, for your wonderful answer. Here's the second question: what are the critical issues faced by women today?
Economic inequality is another critical issue that resonates with me. Despite the significant contributions women make to the workforce, it frustrates me to see the persistent gaps in pay and employment opportunities compared to men. I witness many of my peers working tirelessly in low paying jobs, often without the chance for career advancement. The expectation that women should manage the majority of caregiving and household responsibilities only complicates our pursuit to professional growth. It makes me passionate about advocating for economic empowerment, as I believe that achieving gender equality starts with ensuring that women have equal opportunities to succeed. Access to education and healthcare are also significant concerns that I feel are critical to address. While progress has been made, I know that many women, especially in remote or impoverished regions, still face barriers in accessing quality education. It pains me to think about the talented individuals who are unable to pursue their dreams simply due to lack of opportunity. Additionally, the challenge of accessing reproductive health services and maternal health care remains a pressing issue for many women, contributing to broader health disparities. Recognizing these challenges drives my desire to engage in conversations and actions that promote equality and ensure that every woman has that chance to thrive and make meaningful contribution to our communities.
Thank you, mom, for allowing me to interview you and answering all the questions.